Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. This is an interesting article. When Facebook announced this Libra project, that's when Bitcoin took off from paltry 3,000 to about 12,000 peak of the year. Just so those are on the podcast, it is 12:53, October 1st. So on this Forbes.com article called Bitcoin Chaos Continues as Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg reveals Libra woes. You know, it doesn't really matter what Facebook does. When Facebook announced that or Facebook announced Libra, Bitcoin went crazy, went up 4 times. And basically, when Zuckerberg was put in front of, or his crony dude who was in charge of running this project, was put in front of a congressional session hearing, he got roasted alive because people questioned the privacy of Facebook and the legitimacy of this Libra cryptocurrency project. So as a result, what's happened is Bitcoin itself, the price of Bitcoin has come off. It has been trading in a range around 10,000. It's come off quite a bit since then, and there's another reason here in the article. It may bounce back, who knows, but it's so evident. So that's one problem that's been killing off Bitcoin, supposedly. And the other one, so there's also another talk about how Bitcoin and Libra and all of these crypto currencies are being controlled by government access points to control basically purchases and tax evasion. So they're trying to control all these aspects of crypto, namely Bitcoin or whatever else. And Facebook's trying to become the mainstream accepted crypto, while they're being, as I said, roasted alive. So another big factor that they thought would really help crypto is this paragraph right here. This one right here is to legitimize once again Bitcoin. Was backed the futures futures market. So that was launched, I think, last week sometime, and it's been really disappointing. Not a lot of volume. The CME Bitcoin futures contracts are getting more volume, but they're very expensive. So in this article it said, or in this paragraph it says, Bitcoin comes off muted launch of the New York Stock Exchange owner ICE, or Intercontinental Exchange backed crypto platform, was unveiled last year, boasting software giant Microsoft and Starbucks as partners. Platform allows the traders and institutional investors, this is the key right here, institutional investors to swap so-called physical settled Bitcoin future contracts, meaning traders and investors are not able to sell more Bitcoin than they actually have, but the total number traded to just 72 by end of the first day, compared to 5,000 on the first day of the CME cash settled futures in December 2017. And because of that, it's been hit hard, knocking it down just below 8,000. Everyone's freaking out that Bitcoin's going to die. Well, here's the latest price on Bitcoin, 8,500 roughly. It was 8,000 this morning, so it is kind of bouncing back, but I think it's going to hit a new range at around 8,000. So there's some catalyst that comes along that will either push it up or down. But it's quite interesting how Libra is really not going anywhere for the cryptocurrency space. As you know, last few days the crypto's been doing pretty good. I'm still working on the reporting end of the crypto for the quant analytics service. You can easily find that at the Quant Labs analytics page. Quantlabs.trading. page. Just so you know, this page will probably change in the next few days. All you gotta do is just scroll up, down to the bottom, and you will be able to use it. So that's pretty well it, and hopefully we'll see you sometime, somewhere online. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Have a good day.